Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to reopen closed tabs in Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a major web browser used widely on Windows 11 and 10 operating systems. You might work on one of the web browsers and accidentally close a tab, then realize that you closed the tab by mistake. It may even happen you might want to find out which web pages you visited last week. No worries, you have got covered. You can bring back your closed tabs in your Firefox browser. How to reopen closed tabs in Mozilla Firefox. To reopen the most recently closed tab in Mozilla Firefox, right-click on the empty header space and select Reopen Closed Tab in the pop-up menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen the last closed tab. Repeatedly selecting Reopen Closed Tab or pressing Ctrl+Shift+T will open previously closed tabs in the same order they were closed. If you have visited several web pages on the Firefox browser, you will need to select the Reopen Closed Tab option many times. So, to quickly find the web pages you visited last week that you want to see again, you can go through your browsing history. To access your browsing history in Firefox, click the three horizontal bars, Open Application menu, in the upper right corner and select History in the drop-down menu. When you're done, the History menu will appear. Click on a web page you want to open. Recently closed tabs are listed under Recently Closed Tabs. Clicking the Ctrl+H keyboard shortcut, you can open the History sidebar. Here, click the Last 7 Days option to view all the web pages you visited last week. Select a web page to view it in the current tab. Similarly, you can access lists of web pages you visited in previous months and older than 6 months. The History sidebar stays open until you close it using the X button in the upper right corner of the pane. Goodbye. See you in the next video.